This is called The Spring and the Fall, and it's by Edna St. Vincent Millay. In the spring of the year, in the spring of the year, I walked the road beside my dear. The trees were black where the bark was wet. I see them yet in the spring of the year. He broke me a bough of the blossoming peach that was out of the way and hard to reach. In the fall of the year, in the fall of the year, I walked the road beside my dear. The ricks went up with the raucous trill. I hear them still in the fall of the year. He laughed at all I dared to praise and broke my heart in little ways. Year be springing or year be falling, the bark will drip and the birds be calling. There's much that's fine to see and hear in the spring of a year and the fall of the year. 'Tis not love's going hurt my days, but that it went in little ways.